Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Today guys we will take a look at the Great British Pound because first of all our setup that we have discussed on Friday on the previous week has got the continuation, and what is more significant is that our setup on the euro currency that we would like to see as the butterfly buy on the daily chart was vanished by the yesterday's price action, so we even haven't got the entry point because market just exceeded the invalidation point of the butterfly and now stands above it. And in general I think that since currently is the really short week due to the Independence Day celebration on Friday, market now is really nervous, and there's really the deadly explosive combination of the data is expected on Thursday. So non-farm payrolls will be released on Thursday since Friday is a holiday, and simultaneously we've got the European Central Bank meeting, so that will be really doom and gloom combination. That's why I think that we hardly will get any clarification till the Thursday in terms of the euro currency, and probably in the nearest trading sessions we will have to wait. But in general, the idea of the possible respect of the current support area still holds. The question is now what kind of pattern market will form. Maybe that will be reversed head and shoulders or something of that sort, since we haven't got the butterfly. Anyway, currently, as our setup was vanished, we need to get some more signs, some more clues that could clarify what is really going on and what we could rely on. Currently, as market just have erased the opportunity for the butterfly, now stands right at the first daily resistance, and we just need to wait a bit to see what will happen. But guys, what is really interesting in relation to the euro currency is this chart of the Swiss franc. So I will show you. You can see, guys, that previously we have discussed this pattern well when we have started to talk about the possible respect and downward dive on the euro currency. As we have talked about the possible butterfly, we have talked about this double bottom on the Swiss franc. But you can see right now that this pattern has failed. As you can see, market has passed through the neckline, retested it, trying to continue move high, but failed, and return right back right back below the neckline. Usually when the double bottom fails, it means that the price has the great chances on reaching again of the bottoms, or even to erase to take it out and continue move lower. That's really possible. Even, guys, if market will form some wider double bottom, for example, it will be first bottom and market could form the second bottom here. Anyway, it should reach these previous lows. This led us to look at the euro currency with an absolutely different angle, from a different point of view. And that could mean, of course, here market could form some retracement or something of that sort. But this could mean that on the euro currency we could stand already in the respect motion to current support area that we have discussed many times previously. So maybe this action here and the upward action on the euro currency already is the action of the respect to the weekly support. That's from this point of view we need to get some deep to buy, trying to possess ourselves with this possible action. But in general, this picture on the Swiss franc is really strong, and the failure of the double bottom is the serious event on the daily chart, and this really could mean the significant chances, significant probability on the further downward continuation here and upward continuation on the euro currency. But when we've got any retracement here and on the euro currency, we will return to discussion of the situation. But right now, let's take a look at the Great British Pound, because it has just clearer setup than other currencies. Recall what we have talked on Friday. We said since market has formed this bullish grabber, at minimum it should continue move high and taking out of these highs. That was also 127 extension of this most recent swing. Okay, and that has happened, but market simultaneously has exceeded this 127 extension. At what is more significant, market stands above the 618 target of this A, B, C bottom pattern. As market stands above it, and this acceleration was really nice, the next target should stand right here. It's 100% extension, 172.20. Some of you guys asked me about the strong all-time support resistance area that I also have mentioned once. It stands approximately at this 170, 173 area on the monthly chart. Yes, that's true. This area in general, the 170, 171, 173 area on the Great British Pound is really a strong support resistance area. So if you'll take a look at the monthly chart, you'll see it. I will contract it. You'll see it here. That's dot line 173.40. Okay, but this is area should be treated as the range, about the 3 points, 300 pips, because you can see that low of this dive stands approximately at 170.50 area, while the top here stands approximately at 173.50. So approximately 300 pips between them, and so that was previously the resistance. Now it's support. Here was support, breakout. Now it will be resistance again. Okay, but that's really wide range, and market really could fluctuate significantly inside of it. Okay, and maybe even from that point of view, this target of this ABCD pattern, most recent ABCD pattern, that stands approximately at 72.20 area, maybe that will be particularly the pattern after which a market will respect this area with some retracement, or will show the impact of this area on the price action. That's also possible. Also, guys, here we see the 1618 extension. In general, if you remember how market behaved on the previous week, it has passed through all significant pivot points above the monthly pivot resistance 1, above the weekly pivot resistance 1. So that points on the existence of the significant bull trend that we have also talked about in our weekly research, because our long-term view on the Great British Pound is bullish, and that just confirms that market really has the power and ability to continue move higher in a short-term perspective as well. And we already see this market shows nice action, and the very significant, the core of this current analysis, that market stands above the minor target, and the action up to the upside is really harmonic to this leg. So you can see that AB leg and CD leg is very harmonic. The same angle, market fluctuates around it and keeps the speed of the upward direction. That's really nice. So if market will show some minor retracement, we probably could think about the possible taking the long position here. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that harmonic swings that we have discussed already. Recall that what we said, that since market shows the harmonic retracements, it probably could stop here and continue move high when we have talked about the stop grabber. Right now, market also has taken the pause, and maybe it will show the retracement down. The harmonic swing points on retracement to the 170.20 area. It's right here to the 618 support of this move up. But to be honest, guys, in the current environment, I suppose that will be a bit too significant retracement, because that retracement already has happened here when the market has accomplished. Recall that here we also have traded the butterfly pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart here. That was the butterfly. Left wing, right wing is 1618 extension. After that, market 127 retracement, 1618 retracement. But right now, market, this leg is in fact the starting continuation of the ABCD pattern after reaching the 618 target. So market already has tested the significant resistances, and now it stands in fact in some free area between the targets. So in the current environment, maybe retracement should be a bit smaller not as deep as here. So I can't exclude that market could reach just this area. It's 170.50, 170.70. And if you take a look at the hourly chart, you'll see what we have there. So on the hourly chart, we have stress and thrust top, confidence support at 70-75 area. On the hourly chart, that's also 50% of this thrusting candle, and previous top probably. So we contract the chart. That's also the previous top. Take a look. Right? It's approximately 70-60. So that's 15 pips range that we should be looking for the first touch. So maybe that will be the end of the retracement. The market can continue move higher, because right now market in fact stands not at the resistance. So no resistance above the current market on the daily chart, on the 4-hour time frame chart. Well, and that retracement probably should not be very significant, and maybe market even will show very small retracement to the 70-75, 170-60 area, somewhere in this range. Here, guys, you could also talk about the possible double repo sell with thrust up, close below the 3x3, close above, close below. But guys, to be honest, I really have the caution view on the hourly double repos, especially if they are a bit not if they have the shape that is not a match the perfect double repo. Because here again, guys, we do not have any significant second top. It's just some flat action that shows the closing of the penetration of the 3x3. Maybe it will work as the double repo, maybe no, it's difficult to say. But in general, our major view right now is the further continuation on the daily chart. I mean this ABCD pattern, and the support on the hourly chart. It's right here. So personally, I wouldn't bet on this double repo sell pattern, especially after such action that we have previously, and the shape of the top of the double repo is not absolutely perfect. So that could be accompanied by the significant risk if you would like to take the short position, scalp short with the target right here. Well, I would better watch for this pattern and watch whether market will form any bullish patterns here that would let us to take the long position with the possible further continuation on the daily chart.